uh, all the values of x satisfying this inequality. Okay. Now, it is 1 by x plus 5 less than equal to 1 by 2x minus 3. Now, first keep in mind that when you say a by b is less than c by d, okay, you cannot just cross multiply normally. See, what is cross multiply? We multiply both side by bd. We multiply both side by bd. Now, if b is positive and d is positive, or both are negative, okay, here if bd, right, if b is positive, d is positive, b and d have same sign, that means bd is positive, right, then you multiply both side by bd, it will be ad is less than bc. So, this you can only do if bd is positive, matlab b and d have same sign, okay. If b is negative, d is negative, then also bd is positive. You can multiply both side by bd, so ad will be less than ad will be less than bc, you can say. But suppose b is positive, d is negative, or b is negative, d is positive, so bd will be negative. Now, you know that when you multiply by a negative number, inequality sign will change. So, if in these two cases, when b and d have opposite sign, if you cross multiply, sign will change. So, it will be a by b less than c by d, it will be ad will be, it become more than bc, right, it will be more than bc. Now, so here we do not know the value of x, right. So, we do not know whether this expression is positive or negative, we do not know the sign. So, we cannot cross multiply, right. So, we cannot multiply by this. Now, here you see one thing is, we know that x is not equal to minus 5, x cannot be minus 5. If x is minus 5, this will become 0 and this inequality will be invalid, right, okay, because 1 by 0 is undefined. So, we know that x is not equal to minus 5 and also this is also not 0. So, x is not equal to 3 by 2, x is not equal to 3 by 2, otherwise this will become undefined. Now, so whatever the solution we will get, you have to make sure that these two values are not included, right. Now, I cannot multiply, cross multiply, but what I can do is, you see, just a minute. So, basically, x plus 5 the whole square, okay, into 2x minus 3 the whole square. These two whole squares are always positive, right? They are always positive, okay, because of whole square. I am multiplying both side by, this number, right? I mean x plus 5 the whole square into 2x minus 3 the whole square. I am multiplying both side by this, right? So, I am multiplying both side by this thing. So, I will get on the LHS, I am multiplying both side by this number, right? So, 1 x plus 5 will get cancelled, I will get x plus 5, okay, I will get x plus 5 into 2x minus 3, the whole square, right, and this will be less than equal to, the right hand side 1 2x minus 3 will get cancelled. So, I will get right hand side x plus 5 the whole square, okay, into 2x minus 3, okay. Now, let us bring everything this side, okay. So, I will bring this to this side, I will take x plus 5 and 2x minus 3 common, 2x minus 3 common, okay, 2x minus 3 common. So, here we will get 2x minus 3 left hand side and the right hand side x plus 5 and 2x minus 3 we have taken common. So, I will get minus x plus 5. So, minus x minus 5 and this is less than equal to 0. Now, so this is equal to x plus 5 into 2x minus 3. This will be 2x minus x is x, okay, and minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 is less than equal to 0. Now you know the wave concept, inequality concept. You draw a number line. So, draw this number line. Now, let us mark the critical point. So, this will be 0 when x is minus 5. So, this is 0 when x is minus 5. So, this point is minus 5. This is 0 when x is 3 by 2. So, let us mark this point 3 by 2, and this will be 0 when x is 8. So, this is 8, right, okay. This will be infinity and this will be minus infinity, okay, minus infinity is minus infinity, okay, this is minus infinity, okay. Now, so basically the number line is divided from minus infinity to minus 5, then minus 5 to 3 by 2, 3 by 2 to 8, and 8 to infinity. Now, you know that this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. This plus minus signs are for the whole expression. Now, what we want? We want this whole expression less than equal to 0. Now, let us see where it is less than 0. So, this is one range. So, x is less than, minus 5 is, x cannot be minus 5. That means this point minus 5 is not included. So, x is less than minus 5, or okay, x is between 3 by 2 and 8, between 3 by 2 and 8, but 3 by 2 we cannot include, right. So, x will be more than 3 by 2, okay, and less than equal to 8, right. 8 we can include, right. So, the answer is x is less than minus 5, okay, less than minus 5, or x is more than 3 by 2 or less than equal to 8, it's or, right. So, let us check out the options. X is less than minus 5, or x is more than 3 by 2 and less than equal to 8. So, it is option 2, that should be the answer, right. X is more than equal to 3 by 2 and less than equal to 8, okay. So, option 2.